Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in addition to the US trade ban, Huawei is facing the issue of lack of chip supplies like every other manufacturer. This has caused delay in launch of Huawei P50 series, which should have taken place in the month of April, which has now been delayed and a formal launch date is still unknown. However, Weibo blogger Digital King had revealed that Huawei has started to prepare Huawei P50 series prototype and plans to launch the models in the month of July, more like at the end of July. Also, Huawei will be switching the SoC from Kirin to Snapdragon for its 4G variant of P50 according to media reports. The processor we are talking about is the Snapdragon 888. It could be branded as the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Pro even though it would be 4G only. The reasoning for this would be that the chip could be an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 888 but with 5G accessory mode. That said, the 5G models P50 Pro and P50 Pro Plus will use Huawei's self-developed chips, in this case it's Kirin 9000. So they will not ditch their own chipset, it's that the availability is limited, so they want to use it carefully. If you're still doubtful about Huawei using Snapdragon processor, then do note that previously they have used Snapdragon processor on their other devices like the new MatePad Pro. Huawei has the license to purchase 4G chips from American companies, but the problem arises in 5G segment as they are banned from procuring 5G components from US companies. Moving on, recently Huawei P50 model with JAD-AL50 has received a network access license from TENA. However, this is for a 4G version, implying that media reports are on point. Huawei has also said P50 series will come equipped with Harmony OS 2.0. So the power of Snapdragon 888 and Kirin 9000 plus the fluidity of Harmony OS, it will be an incredible experience. Previous information about Huawei P50 series consists of 3 models, P50, P50 Pro and P50 Pro Plus, and only the standard P50 and P50 Pro variant will be sold first and later on the Pro Plus. Coming to display sizes, Huawei P50 is said to come with a 6.3-inch flat screen display and P50 Pro with 6.6-inch curved display. There is no information on Pro Plus model, but we will keep you posted on every development on P50 series, so definitely subscribe. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.